How to stop auto-downloading media in WhatsApp. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to stop auto-download of media in your WhatsApp messages. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, head over to the WhatsApp app and then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Next, tap on Settings, then tap on Storage and Data. Next, about halfway down, you'll see it has Media Auto-Download. So tap on the first option that says when using mobile data and then uncheck all of the checkboxes, then tick OK. Then tap on the second option, which is when connected on Wi-Fi, and untick all of the boxes again and tap on OK. And then lastly, ensure when roaming, the last option is also unticked as well and tap on OK. And that's what it takes to stop auto-downloading of media in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.